Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to create videos with Gemini. So Gemini, if you didn't know what this is the platform that is actually a part of a huge Google ecosystem that is AI, artificial intelligence, that allows you to create photos, videos, research, learn, pretty much do whatever you wish. And of course, we can make videos. So in order to start, guys, you can just open it up, right? You just go Gemini, just type Gemini on Google. It's pretty simple to find. And now you will be taken to this screen. This is where your prompt field resides. And now, guys, you just need to pretty much explain in simple words that you want to create a video, and then, of course, give the prompt to our AI so that it know what it creates. So I recommend always to use the beta model. As you can see, we have Gemini 3 that has the fast thinking in Pro. So just choose thinking. This will make sure that the model is using more of its resources and creates a better video for you at the end. And when you're ready to start, you can just type in your prompt. Okay, for example, something like this, right? And don't forget also to input that you are looking to create a video. So I'll just add it from the beginning, create a video of, and then after A, we can now generate. And after that, guys, if you wish to then apply any kind of modifications, for example, change the video and all that stuff, you can do that after it also by providing what changes you wish to apply. Also, as you can see, it's not allowing me because I don't have a subscription, but you can generate a certain amount of videos daily, so don't be afraid. Also, if not, you can just use the fast model, right? Oh, it doesn't allow me. Okay, so it doesn't matter. And of course, you can generate the videos easily. And then when you do, I'll just show you on the example of my, let me see, where do I have some kind of photo? There you go. I have the photo. So you will have the video instead of a photo, and then you just press on this download button and you can download it locally to your computer and then do whatever you wish with it. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoy our channel and the videos, like and subscribe.